Kai's at the zoo with Mommy and Daddy.
First look at the elephant.
And this is the first time he's going to see some elephants. Wow. Kai, what do you think of the elephants? Yeah, big elephants. That's a big elephant. Elephant's eating.
Look, honey, how much is that? How much elephant?
Elephant's having lunch. We just had lunch, Kai. Yeah, big, aren't they? This stop is to see the geese, or the goose. Oh, geese. Kai, what do you think? Yeah. Can you say hi, Annie? Wow. Hi. Well, someone likes the geese. We're at the petting zoo. We're petting goats now. Say hi to the goat, Kai. Say hi. Pet the goat. Yeah. Pet, pet, pet. Good job. Good job. Looks like Maximus, but bigger, huh? A little bit like Koa. Don't eat my shirt. Don't eat. This little guy was eating my shirt and he tried to escape.
Just kick that one out.
Little bully. Little bully. This is Kai's and Daddy's first time seeing a giraffe. There's Mr. Giraffe. What do you think, Kai? Kai, where's a giraffe? Yes, there's a giraffe. One big giraffe. It's one big giraffe.
Heck out of those babies, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they attacked the glass pretty hard. I got a video of it. It's a riot.
Really?
This one's getting ready. Get ready.
Back up, Brandon.
Pull that baby off of there.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh!